In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change profile avatar on Suno AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make your profile image look polished and up to date. This quick refresh helps people recognize your account at a glance, adds a professional touch, and makes your profile easier to find in feeds and collaborations. Have your new image file ready on your computer or phone so the process is smooth. Start by opening your browser and heading to suno.com. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner for your profile icon. It typically appears as a small circular image or a generic silhouette. Click that icon to open your account menu. If you don't see it, double check that you're signed in and that the page is fully loaded. From the menu that appears, choose Profile. This takes you to your public profile page where your current avatar, display info, and other details live. Here, look for the Edit option. Click Edit to open the profile editing panel. This is where you can make safe changes without affecting your account content or settings beyond your profile appearance. To clear your current image, click the delete icon on the avatar. Don't worry, this removes only the existing picture, not your profile or any posts. It simply resets the avatar area so you can add a fresh one. If nothing happens right away, give it a second. Sometimes the page needs a brief moment to reflect the change. Now upload your new profile avatar. Choose a clear, high-quality image that represents you or your brand. A square image works best since profile pictures are displayed in a circle and you'll want the subject centered. Keep busy backgrounds to a minimum, aim for good lighting, and ensure you have rights to use the image. If Suno prompts you with a crop or preview, center the key part of the picture so it won't get cut off. When your new image appears in the preview, click Save. Wait a moment for the change to process. You may see the updated avatar instantly, but it can take a few seconds to propagate across the site. If it doesn't update right away, refresh the page or revisit your profile after a short pause. That's it. Go to Suno, open your profile, hit Edit, remove the old image, upload the new one, and save. If an upload fails, try a smaller file size or a common format like JPG or PNG. Enjoy your refreshed look and you're all set.